So I decided to get up and come look for him. No luck so far. Cat Daddy's still missing. God, I don't know where he'll be hiding. He's not in the back. I don't know. I'm on the look for him now. Well, I don't know. Found the sun. No Cat Daddy here. Let's keep coming. Telling you, he ran away, man. Only place haven't looked. It's in this tree up here, but I doubt he's up here. Again, something's in the tree, but sounds like a bunch of birds. Let's not touch this pine needles and crap. Under a tree, yeah, I see. Cat Daddy's not up here. Got some birds in the background. If y'all have seen Cat Daddy, let me know. He's gonna be in trouble when I don't find him, or when I find him, he'll be in trouble. Yeah, don't know where he'd be hiding. Thanks. Let me know if y'all see him.